common question that we get at the Alternative to Med Center is, what does a typical day look like? We're going to walk you through what to expect on a typical day here at ATMC. We gently wake you around 7 a.m. when breakfast is served. All our meals use organic, whole foods as ingredients to create healthy, delicious meals. After breakfast, everyone has what we call delivery. Delivery consists of supplements and medications. Our supplement protocols work to address the underlying symptoms present, such as anxiety, depression, and insomnia, to name a few. The supplements each person takes are unique to them. Our naturopathic doctor meets with each resident weekly to review their supplements and make any adjustments necessary. After delivery, we have a community meeting where the daily schedule is reviewed and goals for the day are set. After a short meditation, residents are transported to our day treatment center, the detox shop. This is kind of a med spa where residents engage in a variety of holistic detoxification therapies. The primary therapy offered here is the chelative sauna program. This process involves exercise and sauna therapy combined with a series of supplements designed to both pull toxins from their cells as well as replenish essential minerals and nutrients. As residents go through this process of pushing toxins out and flooding their cells with nutrients, balance begins to be restored in their neurochemistry and symptoms begin to decrease. There are many other detoxification therapies available at the detox shop, such as ionic foot baths, castor oil pack treatments, nebulized glutathione, and clay masks. Acupuncture and massage are each available twice weekly at the detox shop. Alternative forms of bodywork that we offer include Reiki, cranial sacral, and aromatherapy. At 1 o'clock, we transport the group back to the main residence, where we serve an organic, healthy lunch, have supplements again, and give people time to rest. In the afternoon, there is a classroom activity that is different each day. We offer classes such as restorative yoga, nutritional education, supplement education, life skills, as well as a weekly graduation to celebrate the achievements of the residents. In the time between class and dinner, there are a variety of options available. There are weekly appointments with your therapist, with your care manager, hydrocolon therapy, as well as gym time and hiking. After dinner is group therapy. We offer a wide variety of group therapy, ranging from traditional process groups to art therapy to music therapy. There is a curriculum that is shared with the residents for their reference so that they may have material to study and use in the future. In addition to this regular weekly schedule, each resident will meet with our medical director and nursing team each week to discuss their medical care, medication taper, lab testing, supplement protocol, and whatever other medical needs they may have. This is a collaborative process. No decisions about patients' medical care or medications are made without their involvement and input. Additionally, each week, residents meet with their care manager and the clinical director to review all aspects of their treatment program, ranging from their individual therapy to outside appointments to family contact. Again, this is a collaborative approach that allows the resident to be an active participant in the decisions regarding their treatment. So that is a sneak peek at what a day in the life of a resident is like here at ATMC. Thank you for watching. If you or a loved one wants more information about our program, please visit our website or call our toll-free hotline.